Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn off birthday notification on Viber. Maybe you find the constant birthday notifications on Viber to be overwhelming and you want to turn them off. So today I'm going to show you how to turn off birthday notification on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, tap on Notifications. Here, you will see an option called Get Birthday Notifications. By default, this option is turned on, which means that you keep on receiving birthday notifications on your phone. Now, to turn it off, simply tap on this button next to it. Once you do that, the button will be unchecked, indicating that you now have successfully turned off birthday notifications on Viber. Now, you will no longer receive birthday alerts on Viber. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn off birthday notifications on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn off birthday notifications on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.